What's going on, guys? Charlie Watson here with Mark Williams Auto Group, bringing you another pre-owned vehicle showcase. Now this one's very special, and although it may seem I say that every time, it really is, because this is an impossible vehicle to get right now. The 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. This is a clean one-owner vehicle with 0 accidents. It has right at 6,611 miles, and it's finished in black on black. This is the rear-wheel drive model, and it has the comfort and technology package, which that's going to give you the 360-degree camera, Ford Copilot 360 with the active 2.0 prep. You've got a hands-free and foot-activated liftgate, heated seats, and a heated steering wheel. All right, and as we move inside here, the first thing that I want to cover with you guys is the style of the interior. Now, EVs kind of all have their own look, and one thing that really bothers me on some of them is they remove all of your information here. Now, you've got this massive infotainment screen that gives you a ton of information, but I just love to have that screen there. I'm used to it. It's been there ever since I started driving, so I love that Ford kept that. All right, now we can't do a Mustang video without at least a little exhaust clip. And one thing to note, of course, this vehicle is going to offer all of the benefits that you get with driving an EV. But a thing that I think delivers really well with the Mach-E over some of its competitors is you still have style. This thing is a blast to drive. It looks awesome, and I love the body lines. Now, charge time on this vehicle is right at 8.5 hours with a 240 volt, and when it's fully charged, it's rated at 230 miles of range. We also have to plug our EV series, where we discuss things like charge options, what it's like to own an EV, and how to connect with other EV owners in the community. It's called Drive Electric, so make sure you check it out on YouTube. Now, one thing that we get asked a lot about with this specific vehicle is utility. And surprisingly, even though this is part of the Mustang family, there's plenty of storage capacity back here, and you can even fold the rear seats flat if you need to for additional storage. Speaking of the rear seats, I'm right at 6 feet tall, and I can fit in here no problem. And the driving position of this seat is actually where I would be as well. So you can easily fit 4 full-size adults in this car. All right, well, we've got another pre-owned vehicle showcase in the books with Mark Williams Auto Group. Keep in mind, you can purchase this vehicle at any of our 3 locations, so Beechmont Ford, Mount Orab Ford, or Mount Orab Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. If you would like to learn more about this vehicle or any of our others in inventory, feel free to give us a call anytime, or of course, you can visit us online. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.